put a couple pumps here. And a trick I like to do is just add the oil all over my hand. Any place that the hair is going to touch, I just add a little bit of oil and then run it through the ends. And the trick to getting the perfect twist out, and that's what you call it. So this is a 2-strand twist, but when you take it out, it's called a twist out. And when you're taking them out, the best thing to do is just look for where the hair naturally splits into two, and it kind of just unravels on its own. What I like to do is after I separate it, the initial time, I'll loosen it up for more volume. As you can see, it's got lots of definition, and I love the fact that, I call it curl memory. When you use the product and you separate it, it still just keeps the shape of the set. A lot of times on really fine or soft hair, this can be a really big challenge to keep that definition in there. And night maintenance is a major part of preserving the styles, keeping the moisture in there. So at night, I'd probably just put in a couple drops more of the Gold Lust hair oil and sleep with a satin bonnet or something like that. And this twist is really bringing out the color on the ends. I really like this style also because it gives you so much versatility. Once you get the texture in there, you can kind of play around and do different things, whether you want to put one side back or put the whole thing up, put it into a high ponytail or a pineapple. So once you get the texture in, that's the most important part. So after I'm done, the models will be around if you want to just run your finger through it, or just touch it to see exactly what I'm talking about. The hair is just, it's really, really soft. And sometimes with textured hair, that can be a challenge. One of the biggest complaints I get with textured hair is my hair feels so dry, or it looks so dry. And I feel that these products just hit the nail on the head as far as addressing that issue. They're extremely nourishing with the mango and cocoa seed butters that really help to nourish the hair and add shine. So I'm just following up with the same technique all throughout the head. As you can see, the shape is already starting to form. And she can technically just wear it like this. But I'm going to show you another little trick that I do with the pick to add volume. Sometimes with when I'm doing these twists on my hair, depending on the size of the wave or the curl that I'm looking to achieve, I can achieve this look with bigger sections. But because I really wanted to show off the curl definition, I decided to make the sections a little bit smaller. Pieces. You can see that it's still just maintaining its shape. And what I like is that it still has a touchable hold. I can't wait for you guys to just put your hands in there and see see exactly what I'm talking about. And also you can see that it just has a natural finish. And again, we only use 2 products to achieve this look. The priming lotion, conditioning detangler, and the style butter. Sometimes depending on the look that you're looking to achieve, or your hair texture, you can choose to use the curl gelée. I could have probably used the curl gelée to get the same look if I wanted to have a little bit more hold to it. But based on the way that her hair felt as I was styling it, I knew that the style butter would just be enough. We just have a few more to go. So basically, when you take the twist out, this is something that you can just leave like this. This is enough volume for a lot of people. But if you really want to take it up a notch, I use my handy dandy Afro pick. And what I do is I go right in at the base of the hair and just stick it in there and wiggle it around a little bit. Right at the root. And you can see the difference in volume. So this is our twist out. Using the